Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Creative Crafty Bird Girl with ASL and voice. If you're new, welcome and please subscribe my channel. You click by the notification bell, you will not miss a fun craft and it will help me to grow my channel and I'll be very grateful. Thank you. Today we're going to make a beehives with different DIY project. So let's get started. First thing is a little hive with little letters. And what I did, I used some scrabbles and a little word with woods and some sunflower and a little beads. And I also cut out a shape of a hive with a scrapbook paper. I got it from any craft store you get. And I painted in all yellow all around it. Then I use a little rope with twine, got it from the dollar store, and we threw it all around the hive. And now we're going to paint the beads in yellow and a little bit of it in black. And then we're going to add some bows with yellow ribbon and black ribbon. And there's a sign. We're gonna glue it together and use with scrapple. It says fresh sweet honey and a little sunflower. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna use some paper and we cut out a shape and we're gonna glue around it. Use a hot glue gun. Then we're going to put this here. Put it down like that. And then we're going to take the letters. I use it with black paint and I also put in yellows. So now we're going to put the letter B's. I'm going to put the word bees right here and then the E. Then another one. And the letter S. Then we're going to put the letter hives We'll try to put this little one for later. So then we put the word bees, and then we're going to put the word hide. Then we're going to put the little beads. I'm going to put it right here in the bottom, in the corner. Like this. And now we're going to take a little sunflower. Be right back. So we're going to put some leaves. And we're going to put it here. Or we should put a little, maybe 1 leaf, 2 leaves. Let's see how we do this. Yeah, then we're going to cut the little piece in the back. I'm going to put hot glue. And then we're going to put the glue on the leaves. Then another one. There we go. Ta-da! A beehive. Now, the next project, we're going to put a sign and a little sunflower. Then we'll put the word. And the next one. Then we're going to take the 3 sunflowers, 3 flowers, fresh sweet honey. Then over here, here, here we go. And now the next project, we're gonna color all this in yellow with the beads. So we're gonna put this yellow. And then we're going to take another paintbrush and then we're going to paint it in black. With shark paint. Make sure they're all pink. All like this. The bees. Let me be right back to the next one. 1 minute. Okay, then make sure wipe this off. Gonna use some more yellow. And black. And now we're gonna take, let me see if I can. Put all in pink. Now we're going to take the black one